these workers are on a political protest today to say we should have been on strike, we're withdrawing our services.
This is when education support workers in Edmonton's public schools were expected to walk off the job, but that's been suspended by the government. But they still walked off the job to come here to this labor rally.
We want the government to know they will protect their constitutionally protected right to strike under all circumstances. We're protesting today. We do plan to be back at work tomorrow, but we will fight for our right to strike. And most importantly, we will fight for public education and decent wages for the people who work in it, because if they can't support themselves, they can't support the kids.
We deserve a better wage increase than what's been offered. What has been offered does not go to what the cost of living is.
Edmonton Public Schools says it prepared for the support staff walkout by notifying parents. It advised them that students who require support staff should stay home. 2 of Carl Reed's 3 children are on the autism spectrum. He didn't think it was fair to one of them to stay home.
I brought Ollie to school because he deserves an education the same as both of his brothers. I felt it was discriminatory towards Ollie specifically.
But Reed says his frustration isn't with the school, but with the province's involvement in negotiations, and his child being told to stay home due to lack of staff.
The government has got a responsibility to those children like Ollie and like many other kids that have more severe disabilities than Ollie, for them to be accommodated so that they can go to school.
We do this job because we care about the children.
Back at the Alberta legislature, there is support for the walkout, even if it is considered illegal, because these groups take issue with the province preventing them from striking.
So these workers are standing up not just for themselves, they're standing up for workers' rights, they're standing up for all working Albertans, because if we lose, everyone loses.
The province has appointed a dispute inquiry board. A strike or lockout cannot happen until that process ends, which can last up to 30 days. It considers the lockout to be an illegal strike. Travis McEwen, CBC News, Edmonton.